Hi dear students, hope you are doing well. Today I have this question for you. The statement of the question x4 minus 2x3 minus 2x squared plus a is denoted by fx. It is given that fx is divisible by x squared minus 4x plus 4. Find the value of a when a has this value. Fx is never negative. Never negative. You have to prove it. This question is taken from the past papers of A-level 9709 from paper 3. Look, this is polynomial. Say fx is equal to x4 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus a, where we need to find the value a when we know that this polynomial is divisible by this. This means that this fx can be written x squared minus 4x plus 4. This is basically a factor of this. If this is the factor, then there would also be a quotient and numerator. So x squared minus 4x plus 4, and we know that this qx quotient would also be quadratic because the maximum power of this polynomial is x4. So most probably qx squared would have this form ax squared plus bx plus c, where I have assumed that qx would be in standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c, and this is fx, and you know this is x squared minus 4x plus 4 is square of x minus 2, and ax squared plus bx plus c. So this means that your function, polynomial function, can be written in this form. From here you see x minus 2 is a factor of this function. So by taking x is equal to 2 and plugging back in this polynomial x4 minus 2x3 minus 2x squared plus a, and when I plug x is equal to 2 in this polynomial, I get as it is mentioned in the question, and I myself have stated that x minus 2 is a factor, then x is equal to 2 gives us, when we put that value of x in the polynomial, it is equal to 0 as f2 is the remainder. So from here you see by simplification that you get a is equal to 8. That is what he is asking us. So this way we do first part of this question. So the value of a is 8. Now I use this value in the given polynomial, so that the given polynomial becomes x4 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8. Now we have this polynomial, and in same way this polynomial can be written x squared minus 4x plus 4 and times this ax squared plus bx plus c. No need to do too much work if you look very carefully that this polynomial must be equal to this. So the value of when x squared is multiplied by this, will be only x4. So a should be 1. So you can say that fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 times x square. Same way, by taking this term, the constant term you will get only when you will multiply 4 with c. So constant term there is 8, so c is 2. So this way, now you can also multiply or compare other coefficient of x term or x cube term, you will get the term of b. So when you simplify, you will see that you will have this form. As I already have told you that this can be written x minus 2 whole square. And same way, if we do completing square for this part of the question, we get x plus 1 whole square by completing square and plus 1. Now you see that fx has two factors. One factor is this one and the other factor is this one. Look, as it is stated in the question that when a has this value, then fx is never negative. So you know that this is the square. So if this is the square, square means it's always greater than or equal to 0 or greater than 0, but square number can never be negative. So this answer is always 0 or positive. And same way, if you see that this is the square, so this is always 0 or positive. Plus 1, so your answer will always be greater than 1 for this second part. So when you multiply positive answer with 1 or greater than 1, you will always have positive answer. In other words, you can say that this is always positive and this is always positive. Whatever the value of x, your function remains positive. Why positive? Because you have two factors which always give you answer 0 or positive, mean greater than 0. So your answer could be greater than 0 or at the most could be 0, or it is 0 or it is greater than 0. That's what he's asking. He's asking that it's never negative. Negative means it could be 0 or positive, but could never be negative. So this way you prove the second part of the question. So usually we do this type of question this way. Hopefully you will understand. If still you are confused, you can watch my other videos where you can get some help. Even then, if you are confused, I will feel prayer, and it would be a great favor if you put some comments. Thank you.